So I'm here in the upstairs bedroom, and the last time I spoke about the drywall and I said we were getting somebody to come in and do all the taping and muddying and everything. Well, we did get somebody, and unfortunately he did not do a good job, so I had to go back and re-sand and re-mud and everything, like seriously the entire house. Ceilings, walls, everything. And I'm actually still working on that a little bit, but after that, then I went back and primed the entire house, and now I'm working on painting the entire house. This upstairs bedroom has been primed and painted, and today Marshall's going to come by and install the recessed lights in this room. So let's give you a little look at how this is. So everything's been painted, just looks white. That was kind of a drag after I did the primer, and then I went to do the ceiling paint and then the wall paint. Everything was white, so it really didn't look any different. But anyway, it'll be great to have these light fixtures in here today. And so I'm still painting downstairs, so I am a mess today. It's hot in here too. But anyway, so I will film a little bit after Marshall gets done installing the lights. So that's exciting. Things are moving along. So here's Marshall. He's here, about to start installing the fixtures, and these are the recessed lights that we got, and they are the rarely thin profile ones, so it's great for us because we don't have a lot of space up in the ceiling, so we can still get the recessed light look without having a deep hole. Mm-hmm. And then these have a feature where you can adjust the color of the light a little bit, like to get a warm or a cool light, right, Marshall? Or, mm-hmm. And is there something else about these? Makes them, I guess they're like relatively easy to install, right, as fixtures go?
Very easy to install as fixtures go. Okay, so this is the part that you would edit out on television.
Well, we like to be boring around here, so we'll include a little bit of that. So this is the type of light that we have.
It only uses 9 watts.
Oh, that seems really good. What does the typical recessed light draw?
Well, depends on, now that everything is LED, everything draws very low power, but it would be whatever the wattage is. If it was 60 watts, it would be 60 watts.
Oh, wow.
5 watts, so it is. Give you, I don't know what the equivalent lumens are, but it only draws 9 watts.
That seems really good. So that was a temporary light that we had in place. So what's the difference in, oh, I see, that looks much warmer. Should I change it again? Oh yeah, there is a difference. So that one I don't like. That one is the warm one, I think. Let's see what this, oh, that's even warmer. Should we go for the warmest?
Whichever you like.
Yeah, let's try the warmest because everything's so white here. Let's try that one. Wow, you can really see the difference in that. That's cool. Yes, recess light. Woohoo! Spice is moving on up.
Yes, it is, and it's a warm light too.
Let's see how it looks. So I think it looks a little, I don't know, we're going to try it with the middle setting.
That's the high. This is the middle.
That was the middle warmth one, right?
This is the middle one.
Okay, yeah, so let's try that one and see how that looks. The other one seemed kind of cold, like bluish or something.
Yeah, like fluorescent light.
Yeah,
Some people like that.
yeah, I know.
I'm not
Most
one
people are.
of them. Okay.
Yeah, that looks good. I like that one better. Yay! Now moving on to the next one. Number 3! Yay! Woo! Next one down. We have, how many? 2 more? Woo!
That goes away.
So what, that's 2 more, right?
2 more.
Okie dokie. We're getting there. Okay, so I think we're done. Let's see. Woo! Oh, how nice.
Yes.
Oh,
Right.
it looks so nice, Marshall. Hey, Marshall, great job.
Thank you. I can always take credit for someone else's design.
Well, the only thing I did was figure out the layout. I think that was the easy part here. But it did work out as far as the layout goes, I think. We have the 2 lights here centered on the this niche here, and they're kind of centered in, you know, more or less centered in front of the window, so.
Well, they are exactly centered in front of the
Oh, well there you go. Centered in front, perfectly centered, centered in front of the windows. And then we have these 2, which are in the area where the bed's gonna go. So the headboard goes on the wall there between them. And they work because they'll be kind of over the nightstands where you get light on the bed, but the light's not right in your eyes. So I think that is a good layout. And then we have this one over here, which serves to illuminate the closet area. So we have the 2 closets here, the hanging closet, and this is the shelf closet. You can't see it right now, it's closed up, but so we have that light that illuminates that, and then we have one that gives a general light right in the center, so it looks perfect. Yay, Marshall! Woohoo! Exciting stuff. Okay, thank you, Marshall.
Another job well done.
Yep. All right, thank you.